Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your device and locating the app. Make sure you're unlocked and online because photos may load thumbnails from the cloud. Once done, swipe up or tap the app drawer and scan the icons visually. You're looking for a multicolored pinwheel labeled Google Photos. If you don't see it, use the device search field and type Photos. That directly surfaces the app so you can tap to open without wasting time. You open the app and may be prompted to pick a Google account. Select one so your library syncs. You'll then grant permissions, storage and camera access. Let Photos read and save images. Allow them to avoid missing content. Make sure to enable backup and sync if you want cloud copies. This explains why Photos reappear across devices. As you proceed, note the library view populates with memories, photos, and albums, which organize. Now you're ready to use Google Photos. Tap a thumbnail to open it, pinch to zoom, and swipe left or right to move between images. Use the edit tools to crop, adjust color, or apply filters. Share via the share sheet when you're done. Make sure to check backup status in settings so upload's complete. If the app won't open or crashes, force stop it, clear the app cache, then update or reinstall. That usually resolves launch problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.